Okay, today we are going to be putting into a microwave one of these kind of half mirrored light bulbs. These are kind of rare. This one lost its screw bottom.
And it's mirrored because to reflect certain lights or something?
It's so that it reflects upwards into the light socket, into the light fixture.
That's what.
Alright, so I'm going to focus on this picture. I have to set the focus so that it doesn't focus on the door. Instead, it will focus on the light bulb, like that. Now, I think it's probably gonna. Excuse the lousy quality for this microwave has not yet been completely made ready for these experiments. Plastic.
Metallic.
Yeah, metallized light bulb. Alright, so that is a manual focus. Release electrons. Woo! Wow!
That popped like crazy.
Whoa! One of our favorites. So, yep, that's perfect. This is going to be a good one. Alright, ready?
Yeah. Oh shit.
Beautiful.
Oh my god. Oh, it's melting. It's smoking. I can see it smoking off the side. Oh shit. Whoa. Shit. Oh my gosh. Oh, that is hella funny. That was even better than the first one.
Okay, so now, so the glass popped already.
Yeah.
It's got a jet. See the jet of flame coming out the glass?
Yeah, no, I saw it smoking out of the side, dude. Yeah. Smoking on the top.
So it's making, right now it's making plasma orbs inside the glass.
It's Morse code.
Ooh. Ooh. Aw.
That's it? No
I know it's not going to explode.
It's still
Whoa.
going.
That is beautiful. See a little jet of flame just coming right out the top, a little knife.
Yeah. The hell, it's all glowing like you can't even tell what color it is.
Oh.
Well,
Plasma orbs.
I can smell it now. I smell it.
Yeah, plasma orbs moving. All right, let's stop that
That's
right now. Wow, look at how bright that is. That's the glass
Still
glowing.
glowing.
Let's see what it does. Whoa, there we go, plasma orbs. Wow. Whoa. Yeah, it's just eating away the glass now.
It's like coals. It looks like coals. Or embers. Embers.
Yeah. Yes. So we have fire suppression equipment is available now. Now, this, obviously, we don't want to tell anyone it's okay to try this at home. We are not at home. We are next to home.
We're in the backyard.
30 seconds on the clock. Ready?
Yeah, I'm ready. Let's do this. That's it. Oh, there's the spark coming out of it. Oh!
Yep.
We got flame on that one.
Yep.
Oh, shit.
Yeah, that's it.
No, let's keep it going. Keep it going.
I don't want too much smoke. No, it's gonna be bad smoke. Okay, good. Stop. Yeah.
It was better to do the tan bark than the brick.
Yeah. Yeah, the brick wanted to take all the energy. So we know if we ever want a hot brick, you can put this kind of brick in a microwave, and it will get. This is nice and warm now. Feels like it was in the sun.